Welcome to the channel. Now remember to drop a like on the video and also share the video as well. Now residents of Riverton City are fed up with the crime and violence taking place in the area and state that police seem to be unable to tackle these issues. Now they have taken to social media to expose the countless murders taking place in the community. People want to hear what I go on. Look and listen.
The thing we are going to Riverton with the blingers them. No normal, I not just know. I not just know. That thing you are going from in 29 to 2010. Because there's a lot of things. They come all up a top Riverton and kill a lot of youth, you know, man. I mean, I hear nothing about them. I mean, I hear nobody else say nothing. Because that was the stripe where they used to just start kill wild in a style, pattern and fashion to take over, you know. I'm going to tell you something. You see, during them time when they do them thing there, because them is a dancing team, you know. So it's when they do them something, nobody can know them do it, you know. And them they dance, you know, mash up dance, you know. And then they're way home, you know, man, I pay that, you know. You have a set in a dance and a set out there do them do, you know. And come off of them thing and them a dance and them thing, them for them go out, the next set go do what them do, you know, man. I tell you something, man. I know right now, so them use the school, the phone with the GB, how you call it, on it, and track people, you know. Let me tell you something. Right now, I'm not care, you know, man. I'm not going to tap say it. I want to tell the police them to left Siren alone. Go in a Riverton City. Should I give it name as Meadows? Meadows is a very nice place. Them should I give it that name when we are youth down there. The name where them forget now is Riverton Burying Ground. Yeah. You know much body on the ground around there? You know much body burn out halfway and cover up around there? Yo, send down in a Riverton authority, anybody will listen in a Riverton city we come name Riverton Meadows, and for me is a Riverton Burying Ground. Man, the amount of body, enough body we wanna look for, man. I don't know the team when I see them up on TV. And a TV thing, when you watch CNN news and thing where they want to find all a body, and then go find that. That can't come to Jamaica, that not the police, them and the authority, you know, have them, and them fear try if it should be in our country. You know much innocent body on the ground, the man, we're born in a fire and then cover up. We're stone type and sink in a river. I'm telling you something too. This thing has come down from generation to generation. Because I have a brother who dead in a Riverton. Only brother. And me don't know where body there. None of my family don't know where body there. Because first of all, we don't have a family down there. Our father take we up at baby stage with the mother and carry we go left we down there. And my mother get blind and decide say him no want a blind woman and him left we. And the saga go on. But it's not that. But I just a share from when I did it from me a 2-year-old I did it. Growing there. Try to go to school, try to go to church, try to do everything but get battered down. Because my genes was shut out from my mother, I blind, and my father make a walk when me a 4 to 5 year old. My brother about 2-year-old and my sister about 9 months old. But yes, still done this, so we never go to bed to hungry. Because we go know that so as a recycling place and get bigger. When you go, you get hustle nothing. You get rice, chicken, you get oil, you get butter, you get pot seeds, you get onion, you get tomato, you get skeleton and thyme. I mean, I tell you about nothing where rotten and stink I come out of garbage. So come in there with things frozen. Because those are the time when anytime you see things in a wholesaler anyway, when government it have up law for nothing steal, nothing in the way I sell. And that's how them come. Pass you and go to one place down there so near to the river. Say it was a haven. But growing up without family and thing, you understand me, it still stick. It did still sticky. Yo, my kinda emotion right now. My device I give me a little problem cause me no want no buck. I know maybe I know if in a this. Call bed have a set. Top Riverton no say you know have man a Top Riverton. Top Riverton no say you know have man a Top Riverton we a bad man, but them couldn't. They couldn't manage the blingers them. They kill them off and who not dead, who get to escape, they are foreign. Right now they are for Top Riverton people. Supposed to they are foreign. Those who are trying to live up and them family beg them, you can't make it live, we survive. You understand me? And who reach up there, see if them catch who not dead yet and give them it. So most of the good people them, most of them not dead there. Them say not every family have one bad apple. So you may find one of them family still stuck on. But having it hard and have it under pressure, see I'm blind here and deaf. You hear them say if you get a box you turn on the other side of your face and good off you live that. And let me tell you something. I come back and I say this. Doctor, nurse, teacher, police, soldier, fireman. Talk about it. I want the bigger one them before me and we're dead. Remember to them something they done is I remember where Riverton was when it was Riverton City. And she said, where them sit down with and just monitor it and manage it and kill off themselves. Pressure. Can't stop because you don't have to stay there. Them I said it, the Facebook and them something are not good, something if you come in it not good. See we? But without them something and nothing couldn't go on to Riverton. Nothing only hear about Riverton. Riverton are burying ground. When I say Riverton are burying ground. Better yet, you have some people in the way, if you talk too much, you will get all your little daughter get grind. And you have to sit down. Then good at breathe too. You better take care right. Yo, authority. Me I beg you no. Me I beg you no. My son dead 2016. April 14. Innocent child. With an innocent child on him stomach, and when I say innocent, me picnic no kill, no body, no extortion, no body, no fire, no gun. That's why them could have just walk in my son house, go in my son house, and go kill my son. Because my son now expects no man to look upon him as them see him, say him is just an aggressor, ever have him baby run in front and get a baby, and him is just the girls them pet. And all of that to them kill my son for. Dressing, bad mind, and girl picnic. When I understand themselves and I jump from man to man. And in young.
Now people, and based on statements from residents themselves, this has been taking place for decades now. With different generations feuding with different generations. And the reprisal situation, one part of the community versus another part of the community. And while not everybody growing up in the community thinks that way, there are a few individuals who might still retain that mindset, saying, oh, we're not go up this, because we're the people from up this in a deal. Vice versa, the people from up this are saying, no, we're not go that side because we and the people from that part of the community don't get along. And in majority of these situations, the origins, the true reasons of the feud is unknown. In this particular situation, one individual is saying that the loss of his brother is what continues to motivate him. The other side have stated that they have nothing to do with the situation itself. Talk to me. We need an end to the senseless violence, though.